Hey there, aviation enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the world of the F-35 and how they're set to revolutionize modern warfare. Stealth, speed, and cutting-edge tech. The F-35 Lightning II is one of the most advanced fighter jets in the world, but did you know it actually comes in 3 different versions? The F-35A, F-35B, and F-35C? In this video, I'll break down what makes each one unique, and what they all have in common. First things first, why is it called Lightning II? That name pays tribute to 2 legendary aircraft, the American P-38 Lightning from World War II and the British Electric Lightning, a Cold War-era interceptor. Now let's dive into the 3 versions. Each one is designed for a different branch of the military, and that changes everything from how they take off to where they fight. The F-35A is built for the U.S. Air Force. It uses a traditional runway for takeoff and landing, known as CTOL, conventional takeoff and landing. It's the lightest and most agile version, with a built-in 25mm cannon and the lowest cost per unit. The F-35B is where things get wild. It can take off from short runways or ships and land vertically, like a helicopter. It does this using a lift fan system behind the cockpit. This version is perfect for the U.S. Marines, the British Royal Navy, and other forces needing flexibility. Finally, the F-35C is made for life at sea. With larger wings, foldable tips, and heavy-duty landing gear, it's designed to survive brutal carrier landings. It also carries more fuel, giving it the longest range of the 3. Despite their differences, all F-35's share the same DNA. Here's what they all have in common. Stealth tech for low radar visibility. The same F-135 engine family by Pratt & Whitney. A helmet-mounted display that lets pilots see through the aircraft. Advanced sensor fusion combining radar, infrared, and cameras. Supersonic speeds up to Mach 1.6. A unified software system for mission control and maintenance. Powerful data link capabilities for real-time battlefield coordination. Distributed aperture system, or DAS, and EOTS systems for full 360 degrees awareness and targeting. DAS consists of 6 high-resolution infrared cameras mounted around the aircraft, which feed real-time imagery to the pilot's helmet-mounted display, HMD, whereas Off-Bore Sight Electro-Optical Targeting System, or OETs, provides long-range precision targeting for both air-to-air and air-to-ground weapons. Whether it's landing vertically on a remote outpost, launching off a carrier, or flying deep into enemy territory undetected, the F-35 is built for every scenario. It's a true multi-role fighter. But here's something futuristic. The F-35 is being prepped to work alongside drones. While it doesn't directly fly drones yet, it already shares data with them, receives sensor feeds, and uses that intel in real time. In the future, the F-35 will act more like a command center in the sky, guiding a team of autonomous drones, sometimes called loyal wingmen, into battle. Imagine a scenario where an F-35 leads a small fleet of AI-powered drones. Some scout ahead, some jam enemy radar, and others carry weapons. That's the kind of manned-unmanned teaming the military is working toward. This will likely become reality with upcoming software and hardware upgrades, making the F-35 not just a fighter, but a networked battlefield commander. The F-35 isn't just a plane, it's an evolving platform. With stealth, power, and now AI-powered teaming on the horizon, it's built to dominate not just today's battles, but tomorrow's too. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.